We're Somali parrots, and we're a bit annoyed we've been supplanted in the public eye by hijackers and speedboats without even bright green coats. No, we're not like those other guys. No, unlike those low-life bandits. Although we've gotta hand it to them, they've exemplified the age of strike it rich now or else, every man for himself. We don't like being upstaged. Ain't it like the public to suck right up to those bandidos and neglect the finer things? They can only chase ships, get some ransom, then split. But Lordy, how we birds can sing. So snuggle up on your rug, forget about those nasty thugs, and let us soothe your inner ear. We're Somali parrots, a scary hat we wear it, but you've got not a thing to fear.